All right. Well, I finally did it. Here is the bag that I promised a long time ago. This is my 2 to 3 day overnight camping bag, and this thing weighs 19 pounds and has everything in it that I need to go on a walkabout or go out into the woods just for a couple of days. And I could throw this in my boat, I could throw it on my back, and I could just head out into the woods and stay comfortably and have everything I need. Now let me show you what is in it. Now we're gonna start with the top up here. I got a roll of bank line. All right, that is going to roll. That roll of bank line is going to roll. I have 2 solar lanterns. One is a battery bank for my phone, and one is just a regular solar lantern. I got Blackberry fire plugs. I have a roll of floral wire. This stuff is amazing. And get out into the woods. I have some paracord. I have a straw type water filter, and which broke. So I got to replace that. Wow. So I got a straw type water filter in there. Then I have my headlamp. So one of the things I forgot to mention was the ferro rod, or a way to start a fire. And this stays in that top pouch. I took it out to use it for another video before I did this one. But the all-weather fire starter, this thing is amazing, and I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Then on this side, I have a Laplander folding saw. And this is not necessary, but I like to play around with it. This is just a little cool little toy, an auger to play with. And then I have a heavier duty flashlight right there. And then this clips onto my hat. So then on this side, I have my Grail GeoPress and my Millbank bag with it. Now let's get inside the actual goodies of this bag. And once you get inside here and get into the full contents, I have 3 of my Speir Outdoors meals. I got the shepherd's pie, and I have red beans and rice. And I got 3 of those freeze-dried meals, and that is like 8 ounces worth of food. Then I have my tool roll pouch in here, and has all my seasonings and my spork, and so a little bit of oil in case I catch some fish, or something of that, something of the sort. I have a couple snacks, corn nuts. These things are awesome. Now getting into the gritty nitty of it, I have the Jungle Explorer hammock. I have the DD 3x3 tarp. I have a sheet, which is a ground sheet. This thing is waterproof, that I waterproofed in a video years ago, so check that out. I have a pot and skillet, and inside I have a drinking cup right there, titanium. Now this is an old Coleman stove pot and skillet there. I love it. It's a nice little kit. Then I have a shemagh, and that shemagh is for, carrying firewood or filtering water type deal. And then, I have this. This is a little $7 grill to put over your fire. And then on the back side of here, I got 2 more things in here. I have a map and I have a compass, and that's it. That's all that's in this bag. This bag weighs 19 pounds, and this bag can easily support me on a very comfortable camping trip for 2 to 3 days, if not longer. All right, so this is not one of those real long, super duper hiking bags. It is the European Rucksack. I picked it up for $30 at a Army surplus store locally, and it was brand new. And I'm wanting to find a way to see if I could waterproof it. It's canvas. It does a pretty good job. I have taken it out into the woods a couple of times so far. I haven't done any extremely long hikes on it, but all in all, I'm pleased. I whittled this thing down. I had it at 30 pounds, and I just kind of cut. Now I could probably cut some more stuff out. Probably don't need all the flashlights or the extra lantern or whatnot. And I could whittle down 1 of the water filters if I want, but I like to have 2 water filters filters. But I could probably cut down the weight just a little bit more here and there, stuff that ain't really needed. But I like to play around when I get out into the woods, and I like to do different things with different stuff and different tools and try stuff. So hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, follow, and share. I'll see you next time. God bless you.